And races on Launlaan from the outside. Gallo de Arlo down on the inside is London Dry. Angel Dugo, Fields of Gold, Bahala na. Entry number 6, Mr. Saber, Inner Class, and What Alert is running at the tail of the field. Gallo de Arlo by about 3 lengths. London Dry in second. Angel Dugo is running in third alongside is Launlaan, and moving up by the rally's Inner Class. On the outside is Bahala na. Fields of Gold, War Alert, and Mr. Saber. Rounding the far turn, Gallo de Arlo by about 3 lengths. London Dry getting closer in second. Launlaan, Angel Dugo is driving back in fourth, and Inner Class as they race the final corner. Gallo de linking up. London Dry on the outside. Gallo de Arlo. London Dry on the outside. Gallo de Arlo. London Dry on the outside. Firing it up for the lead. London Dry on the outside. And finally, London Dry. Gallo de Arlo. Angel Dugo. Inner Class. Launlaan.
138.